Confession time. My first email was rich_bentley_king@gmail.com. And honestly, I peaked early. If you've been carrying a middle school email address into your adult professional life, Google just quietly shipped the fix. You can now officially change your Gmail address without deleting your account, without losing a single email, and without starting from scratch. I'll walk you through the exact steps, plus one setting at the end most people skip that keeps you from ever missing an email during the switch. Here's why this matters. Until now, your only option for a cleaner address was making a whole new account, migrating years of dry files, resubscribing to everything, and hoping you didn't get locked out of something important. Google just collapsed all of that into a single setting. Let's fix that email before your next job interview sees it. Step 1. Go to mail.google.com. Step 2. Top right, click your profile picture, then manage your Google account. Step 3. Left menu, click Personal Info, scroll to Contact Info, and click Email. At the top, you'll see Google Account Email. If this feature is live on your account, you'll see an arrow next to it. If instead it says you can't change this address, two likely reasons. Workspace accounts. If this is a work or school email, your admin controls it. Regional rollout. Google is rolling this out in base starting in the US, so check back if it's not there yet. Assuming you have access, click the arrow, re-enter your password if asked, then click Change Google Account Email. Type in your new address. If it's not taken, hit Confirm. One thing to know before you commit. Google caps this at one change every 12 months. 3 changes total for 4 addresses over the life of your account. So don't burn a change on something you'll regret in a month. Before you close the tab, there's one thing worth setting up right now so you never lose track of mail sent to your old address. I'll show you in a second. If this is already saving you a headache, a like genuinely helps us reach other people stuck with an old email. Appreciate it. Here's the part that makes this actually usable. Your old address doesn't vanish. It automatically becomes an alternate email on your account. Anyone who still emails it, old contacts, newsletters, your landlord, that mail still lands in your same inbox. You don't have to update it everywhere overnight. Here's the setting I mentioned. Since both addresses now dump into one inbox, it's easy to lose track of which emails are still going to your old address. In Gmail, click the search bar drop-down, search to, and then your old email address, and create a filter that labels those automatically. Now you can see at a glance exactly who still hasn't caught up with your new address, instead of missing something buried in a mixed inbox. Same steps work identically in the Gmail app. Profile picture, top right, manage your Google account, then personal info. That's the full workflow. New address, old inbox, 0 lost history. Drop your most embarrassing old email in the comments. I went first. If you want more practical tech breakdowns like this, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.